everyone, it's Crochet by BEV. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing fine today. In this video, I will be sharing some ideas for spring, summer crochet projects and some recommended yarns, free patterns, and future projects. Thank you HOBBII for sponsoring today's video. HOBBII is the one-stop shop for yarn lovers around the world. They have all you need for your next knitting or crocheting project. They are located in Copenhagen, Denmark. Follow them in Instagram for more info and fun content, and in my Instagram at Crochet by BEV for some HOBBII yarn project ideas. And let's start. First is top, vest, or slipover. I have a lot of video tutorial how to make top and they are made to measure. First is this blue white top, and this one is one of my most viewed and makes video tutorial. Next is the striped colorful v-neck top with collar. This top is the same stitch pattern with the blue and white striped top. Then next is my latest video tutorial, the raglan top. So this is top down. You start at the top, the neckline, then down. Next is the lace flower pattern or vest slipovers. I have many of these in my channel. Most of these patterns I use super fine to sport weight yarn, and I have here some recommendations that I always use, like this Friends Cotton 84 from HOBBII, and this is 100% cotton. This skein is 50 grams with 160 meters, and the recommended hook size is 3 to 3.5 millimeter. So mostly I use 3.5 millimeter when I'm making my top. So you can find the link of these yarns in the description. The Friends Cotton 84 or Rainbow, they are the same weight and 100% cotton. I also recommend using Friends Wool to make tops. This is mixed fiber with 55% cotton and 45% acrylic, and this is number 2 fine weight yarn. Recommended hook size is 4 to 4.5 millimeter, and one cake is 100 grams with 400 meters, so it's a lot. You can make a top using only 2 cakes. For future projects, I have a swatch here to make a flower top using this stitch pattern. And I use this Friends Cotton 84. So watch out for next video tutorial how to make this flower lace top. And I have also another swatch here to make top also using the Friends Wheel. This in this two colors. I have 2 swatches. Next is light sweaters and lacy cardigans. First, I have this crochet puff cardigan, then flower sweater, and shrug with the flower squares. I have also this collared cardigan and a cardigan with ruffles on the sleeve. Some of these I use yarns that are soft, so I can recommend this yarn, the jade yarn. It's very light and soft. This one is 100 grams with 300 meters, and the recommended crochet hook size is 6 millimeter. I have here another swatch to make a cardigan, a lacy cardigan, using this stitch pattern for my next video tutorial to make, and other patterns recommended on fine yarn or cotton yarn. So also the Friends Cotton 84, it's you can use on that pattern. And I have also this just finished sweater, this granny square sweater, and it is light and lacy, I use Daily Stitch Wool Blend. Next video tutorial, I will show you how to make this sweater. Next is dress. I have one dress pattern in my channel. The recommended yarn of that is using super fine or fine weight yarn. So I recommend also to use Friends Cotton 84 or any lightweight yarn. Also you can use the Friends Wheel. So this is more light and breathable yarn. Another yarn I can recommend to you is this new yarn from HOBBII, the Rococo Linen. This yarn is mixed viscose, cotton, and linen, so it's a nice fabric to make dress or top. So I have this ongoing project using this yarn. So as you can see, it's very nice texture of this yarn. So watch out for another pattern using this yarn. Next is some bucket hats. I made a lot of hats and I sell them in my Etsy shop, and I always use this yarn 100% cotton Friends Cotton 88, and this is 50 grams 75 meters, and it is lightweight yarn or number 3, so it's thicker version of the 84. So it's very nice to use this yarn to make bucket hats. And also tote bags. I have, I think, 3 video tutorial to make tote bags, and I use also lightweight yarn or this number 3 Friends Cotton 88. And last is filet crochet. I don't have a video tutorial or pattern to make this filet crochet, but I am planning to make one. So I have this yarn and hook. This yarn is called Rainbow Lace. This is 100% mercerized cotton, and this is zero lace. One ball is 50 grams with 280 meters. Recommended hook size is 2.5 millimeter, but I have here 2 millimeter, so I'm going to use this hook. I put here some inspiration from Pinterest that I've seen a lot in my feed, so you can inspire on these photos, and next time I will show you how to make one. I hope you found some patterns you like to make. I put all the links in my description, and I have the playlist in there. You can just click, for example, the tops that I've shown you. It's all in there in the playlist, and watch out for new patterns that I'm going to use all this yarn from HOBBII. So thank you so much, HOBBII, for sponsoring this video. Let me know what else you would like to see for a future tutorial. Hope to see you again, and thank you. Happy crochet, everyone. Bye.